Earthquakes can be devastating natural disasters that affect many countries around the world, including Los Angeles. Earthquakes in Los Angeles, California, can cause damage to infrastructure and potentially trigger other destructive events. A major concern when it comes to earthquakes in Los Angeles is the potential for a powerful quake to occur. The last time a powerful earthquake occurred in Los Angeles was the 1994 Northridge earthquake, registering 6.7 magnitude. Experts are now warning that a significantly more powerful quake, known as the Big One, could hit Los Angeles in the future. This quake could be potentially devastating and cause extreme property damage, loss of life, and widespread disruptions. Earthquakes occur naturally, as stress builds up and is released underground in huge blasts. The Los Angeles basin, due to its geography, is especially susceptible to shaking and vibration caused by earthquakes. For this reason, earthquake preparedness is very important for Los Angeles residents. This includes having enough supplies to last up to 2 weeks, and knowing the nearest emergency shelter. The Los Angeles area also has many important landmarks, including the Hollywood sign and Universal Studios. This makes it even more important that residents be aware of the threat of earthquakes and take the proper precautions. Earthquake preparedness includes having an emergency plan, particularly for those in high-risk areas. The Los Angeles Unified School District has an emergency plan that includes instructions on how to act in the event of an earthquake. Similarly, the City of Los Angeles has an emergency plan that includes a list of potential safety measures. There are many organizations in Los Angeles that also provide resources and information about earthquake preparedness. The Red Cross and Southern California Earthquake Center are two such organizations that provide information and resources on earthquake preparedness. In addition, the Los Angeles County Office of Emergency Management provides a comprehensive guide on earthquake preparation. This includes tips on how to create an emergency kit, how to evacuate safely, and other important information. Having an emergency kit is also important, as it provides essential items needed after an earthquake. This includes bottled water, flashlight, first aid kit, non-perishable food, and a radio. Knowing the signs and symptoms of an earthquake is also important for Los Angeles residents. These include feeling the ground shake, seeing furniture move, and hearing loud rumbling noises. It is recommended that people remain indoors and away from windows during an earthquake. It is also important to plan ahead for potential aftershocks, as they can cause further destruction.